Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Do you find it difficult to talk or to introduce yourself to others? Don't worry, because by the end of this video you'll be able to introduce yourself properly. So let's begin the video. So your introduction always starts with the greetings, means how you greet to other person. It can be hi, hello, namaste, assalamu alaikum, marhaba, anything which is in your culture or which is in your religion. And the next, good morning, good evening. As you know, if it's evening you can say good evening, hello. And number 2 is the major step, is your name. You have to introduce yourself. Don't say myself is this. Just don't. You have to say I am and put whatever your name is, like I am Richard, or I am Aisha, or whatever your name is, or my name is this. Now the next question would be, what do you do? Please subscribe the channel, like the video. Thank you so much. What do you do means aap kya karte ho? So basically there are a few things that I am putting in this video. Number first is I'm a student. For suppose if you are a student, you have to say that you're a student. You are doing currently this from this university or this college. And the next is I'm a homemaker. मतलब कि मैं घर चलाता हूँ या घर चलाती हूँ. Next is I'm a job person. मैं काम करती हूँ, but professional, like a doctor, like a teacher, or like anything. And the other is I am a businessman. For suppose if you're doing a business, running a business, you can say I'm a businessman or I'm a businesswoman. See? And the very next question would be, where are you from? In this question they are asking about your country. Where are you from? So you have to say where you belongs to, which country are you from. So you can say I am from and put your country name in it. I'm from Pakistan, I'm from India, England, anything. And next question would be, where do you live? Tum kahan rehte ho? I live in, they are basically asking about your city. I live in Calcutta, I live in Mumbai, I live in Lahore, or anything. Now next question would be, tell me more about yourself, or tell me more about you. In this they are asking about your hobbies, like what do you do in your spare time. So number first is, if you are a bookworm, then you can say I love reading books. Like you can say the book type, like philosophy, like drama, like fictions, and then write a name. And the next is I'm into sports. Like if you like any sport, like cricket, like you can say badminton, like soccer, or whatever sport you like, you can put that sport name into that. And it can be anything, like whatever you like, you just have to put in whatever you like you have to spend your spare time watching movies or travel the world or roaming around or anything, so just say. And next is tell me more about your family. In this you have to introduce about your parents first, like your mother or your father, what your mother do, what your father do, your father's business, etc. And the last is your siblings. Like I have one sibling, or might be you can say I have 2 brothers, 1 sister, or like I am only one child, or you can say I'm an only child in my family. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe the channel. Goodbye.